Whirlpool front load washer won't start. Though a part failure may require professional assistance. The wrong setting or a power issue could simply need the right DIY fix. Here's how to pinpoint the problem when your Whirlpool front load washer won't start. The following power issues can prevent a washer from starting. The washer is unplugged. Make sure the power cord is plugged into a functioning outlet. Tripped circuit breaker. Check for tripped breakers in your home's circuit breaker box. Resetting any as needed. Using an extension cord. These cords can't safely transmit the voltage a washer requires, resulting in surges that cut off power. Never use an extension cord to power your washer. The washer needs a reset. Resetting the machine can cycle its power, enabling it to start again. Unplug the washing machine or turn off its power at the circuit breaker. After 1 minute, restore power and try starting the washer. Control lock is turned on. Is your Whirlpool washer locked and won't turn on? The control lock feature may be enabled. This feature locks all washer functions to prevent an accidental start. When control lock is activated, you may see lock or LC displayed on the control panel. The process for deactivating the control lock feature involves holding down one key or a combination of keys. Refer to your user manual to determine the deactivation process for your model washer. Once deactivated, lock or LC should disappear from the control panel. Washer door is not latched. As a safety precaution, your Whirlpool front load washer won't start if the door isn't completely closed and latched. Always close the door firmly, without slamming, to ensure that the latch is engaged. If the door doesn't close completely, check for loose clothing that may be trapped in the door opening. Preventing the latch from engaging. Are you wondering why my Whirlpool front load washer won't turn on even if the door is closed? The latch may be defective. If the latch doesn't click when engaged, appears damaged, or shows no continuity with multimeter testing, it must be professionally replaced. Check washer settings. Always check the display panel to make sure you've selected the right setting for your wash load. Settings like delay start defer the start of a wash cycle to a pre-selected later time. Make sure the delay start button wasn't accidentally activated when checking your settings. If the display panel shows an error code, your Whirlpool front load washer won't start until the code is cleared. Refer to your user manual to determine the meaning of the code and how to resolve the problem. Lastly, the start button must be pressed and held in order to turn on the machine. Make sure you hold down the start button for 3 seconds to start a wash cycle. Defective Whirlpool washer parts. If all else fails, it's possible that a defective part is preventing your washer from starting. The following parts can keep your washer from turning on, requiring a professional washing machine repair or replacement display board. If you find your Whirlpool washing machine start button not working, the display panel may be defective. If some buttons work but others don't, the panel must be replaced. Line fuse. This fuse blows if the washer is in danger of overheating. Once it blows, power to the washer is cut off and won't resume until the fuse is replaced. Before replacing the fuse, the washer should be assessed for wiring or electrical issues that could cause overheating. Timer. The timer works with the control board to send voltage to various washer functions at certain times. If it shows no continuity with multimeter testing, it's likely malfunctioned and needs replacement.